Hello everybody. We have brand new home construction here and our garbage disposal was leaking. I assumed it was a seal inside the garbage disposal, so the manufacturer replaced it under warranty. As I'm pulling the old one out and getting ready to put the new one in, I can see where the failure is. This drain pipe flange is leaking there, so I'm going to pull this off and you'll get a better picture of it here in just a minute. Well, I have it completely apart and there's actually nothing damaged. This metal flange does not hold the plastic flange on tight enough. There's a lot of slop in it, so they weren't able to get a good seal when they clamped this down. So take a look there if your garbage disposal is leaking. Check this discharge or drain flange. Make sure it seals properly, because mine, it definitely does not. Now have found the source of the leak on my brand new garbage disposal. The installer put the pieces on incorrectly. Here's how it was installed. Garbage disposal, and this happens to be a GE, so it is called a Disposall. But garbage disposer, he had this gasket installed, then the drain pipe, and then the mounting flange in that order. The correct order is pipe, flange, gasket, metal flange. Looks obvious now, but he had it installed the other way. Gasket inside. This cavity right here is how he installed it. Pipe on top, and then the mounting flange. So that's the source of my leak. Here's the confirmation. This is the correct order. But if you've got a leak, make sure you check this. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.